Dance with me, shine with me, Twinkle Ballet. 윙클리노. I met the fairies of Raindrops yesterday, and they were dancing to make raindrops. Thanks to the fairies of Raindrops, the flowers have bloomed and we can see the rainbow. Do you think we can make raindrops if we learn the dance of the fairy of Raindrops? Winkle, show us the dance of the fairy of Raindrops. Tutu and shoes, dance with me. Twing, twing, twinkle.
The twinkle fairy of Raindrops wakes up. Let's make raindrops. Drip, 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 drip. We can also create a rainbow. Drip, drip, drip. A flower bloomed. Drip, drip, drip. A flower bloomed. Thanks to the twinkle fairy of Raindrop, all the flowers bloomed.
Tell us, show us, twinkle. Let's teach the twinkles the ballet moves. Arabesque. Arabesque is one of the most beautiful ballet movements. Extending your arms long, stand on one leg and extend the other leg up behind. Then it becomes a beautiful long line. Now it's your turn, 윙클리나 and 윙클리노. Extending your arms long. Stand on one leg and extend the other leg up behind. Twinkles, did you have fun today? Dance with me when we meet again. Goodbye! Dance with me, shine with me, Twinkle Ballet.